Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to log into Sintra account AI. So guys, what you have to do, just click on login. As you can see here, this option. After that, write your email or your continue with email. In my case, I will continue with my email. Write your email here and click continue with email. After that, guys, wait till loading this page and you will log in successfully here. As you can see here, your account without any problem, guys. You can create a social media post or anything you want to do with your account. Just click login and write your email and click continue. If already continue, guys, what you have to do, click this login and click in the get started here option. After that, you can choose this character. As you can see a different character. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.